Okay, so we're going to be making a potato and broccoli soup, and this comes from an old cookbook. It actually calls for just a can of cream of potato, but I don't have that. So we're going to go ahead and just cook up some potatoes and onions. Instead of water, I'm going to use this low sodium chicken broth. Just another layer of flavor in there. And you really just want to cover the potatoes and onions. It doesn't have to be a lot of broth. So that looks good. Now I'm just going to let this cook, and then we're going to come back and pick up the recipe once we have our cooked potatoes. Okay, so it is nice and tender. I am just going to mash these just a little. My husband does like some chunks of potato in his soup, so I'll leave it a little chunky. Now, I have also used canned potatoes. They're pretty great to have on hand. Whether it's pot pie or soup, it's very good. Now, this does come out to be more than just one can of soup. So, the next two ingredients is a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of celery. So, I'm going to add 2 of those instead of just 1. Now, it did call for an onion, which I've already put in there to cook with those potatoes. And then it calls for frozen carrots and broccoli mix. Well, I have fresh broccoli, but I have these little cups of carrots. They're snack size. I'm going to add a couple of those. Okay, now I do need to add, it says a cup of milk, so I'll go with 2. Okay, there's our 2 cups of milk. And it calls for 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. So we're going to start with the 8, but we may end up doubling it as well. This is probably more like 10 ounces, but that's okay. At this point, it's going to be to taste. Just sprinkle in a little pepper. A little salt. Now this cookbook, it's put out by one of our local electric companies. It's printed in 2003. It's their 65th anniversary. So this company puts out little booklets every month with recipes in it. So they've taken them from 65 years of recipes and made this book in 2003. I got it for my mom for, I don't remember if it was her birthday or Mother's Day. But anyway, so it's an old book. So these recipes could be as old as 2003, or they could be 65 years back. So now this one using Velveeta. I'm not sure how old that company's been around, but that'll help date it just a little bit. So we're going to let this continue to cook, and then I'll bring you back when it's ready. I'll probably make some cornbread to go with it.